Hey, welcome to Cube Command. I'm Tommy. You may be wondering where Nick is. Let's just say he's been disposed of. Nah, just kidding. I'm actually recording this at like 6:30 at night, so he's just not here. So, but what is here? Sonic Superstars. And a little bonus thingy I got from pre-ordering it. And I still haven't opened it, so you know I spent my money well. So I know, opening a PlayStation 4 game, that's what I used to do. That's what I started doing. But we already know there's just a disc in there. But what I really want to do this video for was this little standee that came with it. I thought that's kind of neat. Thought why not, you know, show it off a little bit. So let's open the game first because I hear something rattling around in this box and it's kind of making me a little bit scared. Sonic Superstars. That's not good. Well, no grand reveal here, but yeah, that's what the disc looks like. That's the inside. Bada bing, bada bang, alright? Okay, that's Sonic Superstars. Nick and I are going to be playing it. Hopefully we'll get to do some 4-player, if we can rile everyone up. But we're going to be doing that on Cube Command Gaming. That's our Let's Play channel. Previously, the original Cube Command channel. Now this is the main one. So head on over to Cube Command Gaming, link in the description, and watch us play games. Okay, so let's open up this little standee. I think this is actually pretty cool. Alright, so you got 3 pieces, one of it, the main characters, Sonic, Knuckles, Tails, and Amy. I'll probably do a close-up so you can see it better. You got the background, and then the little standee that you're going to put those into. That's pretty much all you get in that. So we're going to put, I think this is the right way? Yeah, right? Yeah, that's probably the right way. Put the characters on first. I think that's right. They're not fitting. I don't even... Am I putting this in right? Literally just a bar. Okay, there we go. Kind of have to use a little bit of elbow grease. And we're greasy enough for that. You already know. It's a little on the not exactly molded correctly side, but... There we go. That's a little standee that comes with Sonic Superstars. Yeah, this was a pre-order bonus, so... if you got it, cool. I mean, if for those of you that were wondering what this looked like, there you go. And that's the game case. So, cool. A cool little bonus for a cool little game. And we'll be playing that soon on Cube Command Gaming. I know this was a really short video. I got another one coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.